The standards should really guide your child's education, not a workbook. If you're homeschooling, start with the standards. If you're looking at which curriculum to use, start with the standards. If you're evaluating micro schools, homeschool co ops, a tutor for your child, ask them about the standards. The standards are the roadmap. Most states have adopted the Common Core standards or some version adapted for them, all except 4 states, which means that starting with the Common Core standards is a great place for most families. As a teacher, when I was in the classroom, we had to align our lesson plan to the standards all the time, every single day. And yes, it was a lot of work, but honestly, it gave us so much more autonomy. Sometimes the chosen curriculum would spend so much time on a skill that wasn't even a standard for that grade level. Or it might ask students to master a skill that wasn't quite appropriate. For example, in kindergarten, I see a lot of these big name curriculums expecting students to be writing complete sentences day one. Meanwhile, the actual standards say that writing looks like drawing, writing looks like labeling, writing looks like dictation. You get what I'm saying? The standards help us to think critically instead of just blindly following a workbook or curriculum. They give us an end goal, and then we can decide how we're going to get there. They help teachers teach intentionally, and they help parents make informed decisions. Whether you're homeschooling, whether you're just supplementing at home, or whether you are a teacher in the classroom, or just looking for additional supports for the children you support, start with the standards. Not the giant workbook, not the marketing, not the fancy curriculum. The standards will give you that roadmap.